Hey guys, what's up? What's good? What's poppin'? My name is Paula and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Basically, I've been on Instagram and on the Clock app and I've been seeing this pop art lip and I want to try it. It looks so cute, but I also want to see if I could actually wear it outside and actually make it a thing. Before we jump into this, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, join the Malunda family, leave a comment down below with your thoughts, and yeah, let's just jump right into this. I'm starting by priming my face and I'm going to be using the NYX Shine Killer Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in shade 334 Warm Sun, and it's the matte and poreless. I feel like this is going to be a bit too light, but it's the only matte foundation I own, so we're gonna have to make it work. Yeah, so this is definitely too light, but we are in today. We'll make this work. Trust the process. I am gonna use this foundation stick from ABH. I'm just gonna warm up my face a little bit just by putting it around like this, my nose, into my brow, and then my cheeks. You know what? Let's add some here too. Now we just blend, and I will blend it a bit higher than I usually would, just so we can make this foundation suit my skin a little bit more. And using the little bit of foundation left on the brush, I'm just going to pat it down here. For concealer, I'm using the Vasanti Liquid Cover Foundation Concealer 2-in-1, and I use the shade V12. Okay, and now we're going to set the concealer with the NYX Can't Stop One Stop Setting Powder, and this is the banana. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. Since I never contour my face, I do not contour my face like that. I do not have anything in use, so I'm gonna dig through my eyeshadow palettes and see. Ooh! Okay, it's coming together. It is coming together. So now I'm going to just put on some bright red blush. So this look needs a very bold, dramatic wing liner, and I have hooded eyes. So while we're here, let me give you guys some tips. So I'm just gonna get a pen eyeliner from NYX, and I find pen eyeliners work the best for me because it's just, you have more control over what you're doing. Alright, so first tip is that never close your eyes. You always want to have your eyes open and looking straight at your mirror or camera, whatever you're using. So keep your eyes open and look where the crease of your eyes is. Like mine is over here. I'll do the first line here like that. And now I know I want it to come this way like that. But you see, if I were to draw just like a straight line, it's just gonna be messy. So what I'm going to do, keeping my eyes open, I am going to connect that down here. See? And now you have that bat shape. So from this point onward, you can make your eyeliner as dramatic as you want. So I'm going to do mine like this. Also, next tip, this is kind of obvious I guess, but I always just don't do this. Wait until the eyeliner dries. Because your eyes are hooded, if you do not, the moment you open your eyes, it's just going to transfer to the top. Now, keeping your eyes open still, you can complete the rest of it. Try keep it open even the slightest bit and just drag that along. If you want a wing that's even thicker than this, you could just do like a bat eye wing. So basically you want to keep this shape here, and you can bring this part up here, and you can have a thick line like this. And another tip is, if you want to add some, try add some from the bottom like this. If I want it thicker, I could add another line here, and you can just connect it to your lower lash line. It's a lot less of a struggle. I'm going to line my waterline with this Extreme Last pencil from Essence, and it's in black. It's the waterproof one. Now I am going to put on some mascara and pop on my lashes. Okay, lashes on. These are the magnetic lashes from Kiss. This is the moment of truth. Let us try doing the pop-up style lips. I think this is a nice face to go with it. Fingers crossed, this better look nice. First, I am going to line my lips with brown. And then I'm going to go in with a red lipstick. This one is from Smashbox. Okay, so I think this would be easier with a matte lipstick. This one is pretty glossy. Let me just go over it with some red eyeshadow. I'm just gonna go in with the same black NYX eyeliner. Okay, my strategy is to draw the black on top of my actual lip because I'm going to put gloss over it, and I don't want to get the gloss over the black. Alright, let me give myself a little bit of a smile, and then I'm going to draw on the edge here. And I'm still gonna go ahead and go a little bit over my lower lip just so I could have more of a shadow. Look how thick of a black line I had to draw under my lip, but it is looking good. Let us go in with the white. Okay, now we put a gloss over it. I am going to be using the clear gloss from Essence, and it's their High Shine Gloss. Okay, and it looks like this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I would actually wear this. But the only issue is, well, I guess if I use the right products I can get it to stay, but I just used eyeshadow, so if I'm to eat or anything, I think the white would get mixed up. But it's cute. OMG guys, this looks so good. Actually, I have a bit of an inspiration. Wait, let me switch up my eyeliner real quick. Okay, I just added this little detail and I like that a lot better. So, ooh, this is nice. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I really like this, and really enough, I like the little smile lines I added. I don't know, it's cute. It's cute. I definitely recommend this. Give it a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please subscribe to my channel. We're a small channel here, but we're gonna get there. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.